Hey there, welcome to DMWM. My name is Dakota, and I'll be your guide for today's onboarding walkthrough. DMWM is on a mission to make online selling simpler, more accessible, and truly borderless, especially for merchants across Africa and the diaspora. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, from choosing your vendor plan and registering your account, to setting up your store, receiving payouts, and managing your dashboard like a pro. So grab a notepad if you'd like, follow along, and let's dive into how to get your business up and running on DMWM. To get started, scroll up and click on the Vendor Plans link at the top of the page. This will take you directly to our pricing page. Here you'll find all 6 of our vendor plans, 3 monthly and 3 annual options. The basic plan is perfect if you're just getting started. It's affordable, simple, and gives you everything you need to launch your store with ease. The standard plan is ideal for growing vendors who want more flexibility, and the premium plan is built for power sellers who need unlimited features and maximum scalability. You can also choose an annual plan to save even more throughout the year. For most new vendors, we recommend starting with the basic plan. It's a great way to get a feel for the platform while keeping your initial costs low. Let's go ahead and click Get Started so we can begin the vendor registration process. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be redirected to the vendor registration page. This is where you'll officially apply to sell on DMWM, so let's walk through it together. Start by filling out your personal information, your first name, middle name if applicable, last name, and any suffix you may use. Then enter your email address and phone number. Next, add your store name and a short description under About Your Store. Tell us what kind of products you plan to sell or the story behind your brand. Whatever helps us and your future customers get to know you better. After that, you'll select the vendor plan you previously chose. You'll see it already highlighted here. Then fill in your full store address, including street, city, state, or province, zip or postal code, and country. Now let's move on to the most important section, your payout details. For now, DMWM only supports payouts to personal accounts and via mobile wallet. These fields must be filled out carefully, so double-check everything for accuracy. You'll need to select the payout country and currency, your mobile money provider, and the full legal name of the account holder. This includes their first name, optional middle name, last name, and suffix if applicable. Below that, enter the account holder's full date of birth, and then provide the details of their government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or national ID. This includes the ID number, issue date, and expiration date. You'll also need to upload a clear, readable copy of that ID in JPG, PDF, or PNG format. Just make sure it doesn't exceed 20 megabytes. Finally, enter the phone number tied to your mobile wallet. Then, don't forget to check the box agreeing to the terms and conditions and the one consenting to data processing. Complete the anti-bot validation, and once everything looks good, hit submit, and that's it. You've just applied to become a vendor on DMWM. Once you've submitted your vendor application, keep an eye on your inbox. You'll receive 2 important emails from us. The first is a confirmation and welcome email from Douala Market Waterside Market LLC. This simply lets you know that we've received your application and that it's currently under review. The second email contains your login credentials. It includes your email address and a temporary password that will allow you to access your vendor dashboard for the first time. Now, these emails usually arrive within a few minutes, but just in case, make sure to check your spam or junk folders too. Once you receive them, head over to the login page and sign in using the credentials provided. Even if your account hasn't been fully approved yet, you'll still be able to explore the vendor dashboard. Feel free to click around, familiarize yourself with the tools, and get your store ready while you wait. We'll send another notification once your account is fully activated, but in the meantime, you can start getting comfortable inside the DMWM platform.